Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a micro SD card at the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro. I'm having here the 12th generation of it from 2022. Okay, first of all you have to remove the case in case you have it. Well, I guess you have it, then go here from the corners, not just remove it like this. And yeah, go from the other corner then like that, and then you can easily remove it. Okay, and how to insert a micro SD card right now, you have to bring it to the other side. So here's the camera, so bring it on the side below, and then you will find here the slot to insert the micro SD card. There's a little notch in there, so take now your nail, your finger, and remove it. And yeah, now we can enter a micro SD card. So then take the micro SD card, put it with the written words to the display side now, and inserted it well. Use also your fingernail here to press it as deep as possible inside. If you don't have long fingernails like me, or yeah, it's okay, then use a pen or also the top of the pen to enter it now, like this. Okay, and yeah, close it after again, and yeah, that's it. Pretty easy, huh? The challenge is also to bring it back here to the case. For that also, put it first here. So bring that side below at first into the case, and then work here on the edges. Yeah, bring it inside, or maybe it turns on like in my case, but finally you will have it like me. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. And I will show you also later how to transfer data and so on. And yeah, or you can subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.